Shutter speed is a fundamental concept in photography that refers to the length of time that the camera's shutter remains open. It allows light to reach the camera's image sensor. Understanding shutter speed is essential as it directly affects two key aspects of photography: exposure and motion blur. So, shutter speed plays a crucial role in controlling the amount of light that reaches the image sensor. So, the faster the shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second, it allows a really short duration of light to enter, and the image will look darker. Conversely, if we have a really slow shutter speed, like 1/30th of a second, that's going to allow a longer duration of light, resulting in a brighter image. Adjusting the shutter speed is important in different lighting conditions to ensure proper exposure. Shutter speed also determines the amount of motion blur captured in a photograph. When a shutter is open for a longer period of time, we'll see some moving subjects that will appear blurred in the image, and this can convey a sense of motion and create some artistic effects for the photographer. On the other hand, a faster shutter speed creates a very visual, a sharp object, and it's ideal for fast-moving subjects like sports and wildlife. So in low light situations, we want to think about a slower shutter speed. It's necessary to allow enough light into the camera. Longer exposure times, however, can introduce the risk of camera shake, resulting in blurry images. So you can counteract this by using a tripod to stabilize your camera, and that way you'll maintain sharpness when using slower shutter speeds. And finally, manipulating the shutter speed allows you to have some creative control and different effects on your photography. For example, using a slow shutter speed with a tripod can capture light trails from moving cars at night or smooth out flowing water in a waterfall. Conversely, using a fast shutter speed can freeze the droplets of water splash or capture the split-second action of a fast-moving object. So understanding the shutter speed and its impact on exposure and motion blur is crucial for controlling your technical aspects of photography. It helps us capture the desired level of sharpness, and it can help us convey motion creatively, and it will really add some depth and impact to your photographs.